Brewers on Deck. This is a Fox Sports Wisconsin Sports Update.
With Brewers Live, I'm Victoria coming to you from Brewers on Deck at the Midwest Airlines Center. Brewers fans of all ages are having a great time getting autographs from their favorite players, enjoy interactive games, and more. Don't forget to tune in all season long to Wisconsin for complete coverage of Brewers baseball, including 136 games in HD. Thank you.
Live from Brewers on Deck. This has been a Fox Sports Wisconsin Sports Update.